Samuel Langhorne Clemens. You may know me by my nom de plume, Mark Twain. I'm just catching up on a little light reading, Moby Dick. I'm staying here in Prestwick while I tour Ayrshire, and I'm staying with Ken and Carolyn O'Hara. And my next date on my tour is at the Cutty Sark Centre on the 17th of July. Tickets are available on Eventbrite, or you can just wander up and get one at the door. Now, before I leave you, I'd like to leave you with some words of wisdom. Age is an issue of mind over matter. If you don't mind, it doesn't matter. I hope to see you soon. Bye for now.